So for this example, we'll be testing a remote. The remote is laying here. We have the ArFi probe ready. What we'll do this time is we'll do an S-curve measurement, but what you can also see is that we prepared the microphone. So to check that the microphone is actually connected, we go over here and we can do a perform self-check. The device will now run through, and what you should see here is that the microphone is now detected, so that means it's ready to be used. We then go to the utility panel, and here what we can do is we can say auto start. So we click the auto start, it will toggle on. So now for every measurement we do, we will do one recording. So for this measurement we'll be very quiet, and what we'll do first is we'll just go a little bit closer to the surface, because we don't really want to have any noise beforehand. And what we really should do is find the surface. Once the surface has been found, what we will do is we'll do an S-curve measurement, so we'll do that over here. Nothing happened. We will increase back the max force to, let's say, 6 Newton. What we will do then is we will go here and we'll do our S-curve. And we heard 2 clicks. And now if we go to our folder and we go back, we check which is called instructions. So we can go into the instructions folder, and here we can see S-curve measurements. We have 2 of them. We can view them. So you can click and then you can say graph selected file. That will graph it in a tab. And at the same time, before we do, we just have a look at the wave file. We can see 2 wave files are recorded. And then what we can also do is we can see all the accelerometer measurements that we did. But if we just go back to the graph, then we can see the graph that we just had here. Here we have the S-curve. And on the S-curve we can see that at around 4 Newton up here we had the first click, and then on the return path at around 2 Newton we had the push back up.